Iran and Israel war and plus of America is very complicated in this time. The America airships and the aircraft carriers has been destroyed by Iran. Yes, many aircrafts, 1 lakh pounds aircraft, 2 aircraft destroyed and the repair time lapse of 1 year. And sometimes these videos to thought it's the very horrific and the many attacks on their cities. For the time lapse and day by day, the war is very complicated and horrific to see it. But sometimes the war and the Iran, many buildings, many states, many states have been destroyed by Israeli and American missiles. But the Iran is a very powerful country on this war. And many attacks from Israel and America come from Iran and are not intercepting here and destroyed the many states. But the Iran the fight back and thought be the sad casual. And like these videos to sad it sometimes to lapse there. And many aircrafts, many missiles have interceptors to that. And the in and out the imports and outputs of Iran, the oil and the state of Hormuz is a very big deal on Iran. This is some methods to say it and see these videos. Over the further preparations to Red Sea, the global shipping relentlessly strikes on Gulf states. The Iranian Revolutionary Guards confirmed they launched the missile and drone strikes on aluminum plants of Bahrain and UAE, labeling them industries affiliated with the US military. Civilian consultant reported in Iranian local media reported at least 5 people were killed in US-Israeli attack on the residential unit in Sanjan, with ongoing reports of the civilian deaths across the region. Strait of Hormuz crisis. The confidence has led the near total closure of strategic the sad state of Hormuz severely impacting global oil gas supplies and the casing marketing violently. US military buildup. Approximately 2,500 additional US Marines have arrived in the region as the Pentagon reportedly prepares plans for the potential ground operations in Iran thought the full-scale evacuations has not approved. Region diplomatic efforts. Pakistan is set to host foreigners ministers for Saudi Arabia, Turkey and Egypt on Monday for emergency talks aimed at finding diplomatic path to the end of fighting. Anti-war protest in Israel. Hundreds of Israelis protested in the Tel Aviv and other cities to Saturday, clashing with the police and the international dissent regularly for the ongoing war continues to rise. Escalation in Lebanon. The conflict between the Hezbollah and Israel has intensified with the Israeli military reporting further the combat casualties in the southern Lebanon as the war approaches in the second month. Economic foresight. Economic impact depends. The war is the casing the world's largest supply distribution since 1970s. Energy crisis with the major impacts on global aviation, tourism and financial markets. And the side of America. The deal of America state of Hormuz and the oil and electricity has been stopped because the state of Hormuz is banned to other states for ships. Now the 4 big deals for a land army America sent him. What will Donald Trump say it's win, but it's not win. It's a halfway financially conditionally down. But the time the war zone is settled to other things. You see it there was to sometimes and lapse their economy. And for the Russia is the about to the dollars for fight tides.